first question of your test, it was describe McCavity. Question was for 3 marks. So it means you have to write 42, 50 or 60 words. So yes, describe McCavity. Who will give the answer? I hope you all have attempted the test properly. Yes, what is the answer? Describe McCavity. 3 marks. Hurry up. Yes, Pulkit. Okay. Then. Hmm. And then. What about the appearance of McCavity? Question is describe McCavity. 3 marks. It means you have not attempted the test. It means you haven't seen the questions. Yes, Anmol. But yes, in this, where it is written describe McCavity, you have to describe everything. His movements, appearance, what kind of crimes and what kind of things McCavity does. Is it okay? And for it, here, the poet has given human characters to the cat. So that is why we are using he. Got it? Next is guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend and monster? I think we have discussed this that day only. It is totally up to you what you want to write. If yes, you have to support the answer according to your answer. And if no, then give reasons for your answer. Huh? Both. But don't write both the answers in a same answer. Means same under the same heading. That okay, I think the poet likes, or I think maybe might be don't like. Don't write like this. You have to be very clear that you are going to state this opinion. Next is write a letter to your friend telling importance of balanced diet. Balanced diet. So before we start, just tell me the format. We'll discuss the format only. Okay. House number. Area. And then city. Then what is the format for date? 17. Then salutation, dear. And then you have to start. In this, you have to tell the balanced diet, importance of balanced diet. So I think it is very much clear. Mention the importance and connect it with the recent time. You can connect it to the recent time now, right? Recent time according to this, now in this pandemic, we are very much aware that how balanced diet, how important the diet is for us to keep ourselves healthy, right? So you have to write this thing also, try to mix and match. First, general importance that it should be, we should take the balanced diet. This is kind of balanced diet we should eat daily, right? Include fruits or whatever, and then connect it to the current situation. Got it? And then when you have to end the letter, ask that send your routine, send your diet chart. You can do this and ask your friend to follow this diet chart and reply. Got it? Waiting for your reply. You can start with this, that your friend is not well. Okay, and that is why you are telling him the importance. Okay, Pulkit? Okay, now let's start with the voice. You will tell me the rules. I'm going to write the rules and then later on I'll give you the sentences. That's all. Yes, so first rule. What is the basic rule? Sarit, what is the basic rule? Tell me the rule and go and get your bottle. Voice, we are going to discuss voice rules. Okay. So, first rule, what is the basic rule? Before discussing about tenses and all, I want you to tell me the basic rule of this. Yes, what is the basic rule? Are you for it? Have you changed your name, Pulkit? Very good, Punya. This rule is correct. Yes, those who are online, you can also tell me the rules. Only I am going to read. He won't be able to read. So just send me the rules. No? No rule at all? Very good, Anvay. Okay, Pulkit. Oh, wait. Tell me, now tell. How to write? What? Yes, Avni. Let me tell you, Avni has given me this structure. Now tell. Pulkit, I hope now you will be able to tell. Object. Object will come with subject. Okay, it should be like object plus subject plus verb. What? It should be object plus verb plus subject. बीच में being verb. Anyone else? Yes, Rohit. Object plus verb plus by. Anything else that you want to add? It's object plus directly third form of the verb. Which? Medha, correct. Helping verb plus third form of the verb plus by subject. Sarit, okay? This is the rule. According to the rule, this sentence is in active voice, right? Subject, verb, and object. Here, subject comes first, then comes verb, then the object. And in passive voice, what we do? We interchange the places of subject and object. Object comes in the beginning, After that, helping verb, always helping verb. Then is third form of the verb, always third form of the verb, and then by subject. Okay. Now the rule, addition of any other verb depends. Like we add being, been. Okay, that depends on the tense. One rule that Punya has told, that is that we don't change tense. Okay, do not change tenses. If it is in present, simple present, keep it in simple present only. Simple past, simple past. Okay, continuous, again continuous. Got it? Is it okay? So now let's discuss the rules. Tenses, changes in tenses. Okay. First, simple present. Simple present. First, tell me the simple present structure of simple present tense. Yes, what is the structure? Subject. Yes, correct, Avni. Subject plus first form of the verb plus object. Right? Subject plus first form of the verb. Now in first form, if the subject is singular, we use simple base form, and if it is the subject is singular, then we add s, es, and if the subject is plural, then we add just base form of the verb. Okay? Got it? Now, how to change? Hardik? Wait, object plus first form of the verb is no, is MR plus third form of the verb plus by subject. Okay, got it? This is the rule. Now, if the sentence is पुलकित क्या लिखे? Pulkit, frame a sentence using your name. It should have an object. Chalo, I'll write one simple sentence. The common sentence and the truth. So now, change this sentence. Try to change this reality. Yes, Gurkaran. The class is disturbed by Pulkit. Right, Pulkit? Is this sentence right? Structure. The changes, use of verb and all. Correct, Swarit? Sure? Here, what we have done? Object, helping verb. This verb shows that our sentence is in present tense, simple present tense. Third form of the verb, and this is the one who does the action of disturbing the class. Means the subject. Got it? Clear? See, if you have any doubt, please ask. What? If someone is written, then you can skip this subject. Okay, if it is written as someone disturbs the class, then you can simply write the class is disturbed, full stop. Still it is okay. Okay? Huh? You can write, but generally we skip. Is it okay? Any doubt? Okay, same way, let's talk about past, simple past tense. Yes, simple past tense. Sarit, can you tell the rule for simple past tense? No, here, subject. It's subject. What we use here? Which form of the verb? Third form of the verb is used here. Sure. In simple past, if I have to write a sentence in simple past tense, in active voice only, which verb am I going to use? Which verb? First form, second form, has, have, what? Has, have, simple past. Second form of the verb. Second form of the verb means sometimes we add d, ed, or there are irregular verbs also like ate, wrote. Okay. Now, what about this? To change it into passive. Object plus was, were. Okay. So, in place of is, am, are, one simple change is there, that is was and were. That's all. Understood? Got it? If you see that second form of the verb is used, what you need to do is just simply change it into was, were and third form of the verb. Got it? So suppose if it is written wrote, क्या करोगे? If wrote is written, then is written. It's was written, was or were written. Got it? Now if I write one more type of sentence, Pulkit, I'm writing it in negative, did not disturb the class. Now I have used did and not. Now what to do? Sure, you have to use was again. Was. You are not going to use did. No, that I understood. Means I am saying the class did not disturbed or was not. Yes. Is it okay? So if, wait a second. Yes. So whenever did is there, still you have to write it like this. Did, sorry, was not disturbed by Pulkit. And same way in simple present tense. If it is does not or do not, you have to use is, am, are. Got it? Understood? Those who are online, if you have doubt, please tell. Okay, now I'm going to give you a few sentences. Write down. Take out your notebooks and write down the sentences. Is it okay, Swarit? No, Rohit. I know. He is doing this now. He is continuously asking me, trouble is in the classroom, trouble is in the classroom. Akshima, be careful about the verb. When you interchange the places of subject and object, be careful about the subject, means number of subject. Is it singular or plural? And then write your verb accordingly. Chalo. Jevan, check the third form of the verb for wore. No, not this, Jevan. Done? No? Do it, bache, do it. Done? Those who are online, they have already started giving the answers. Let me see. Yes, Bhavika, correct. Bhavika, don't skip the article. Okay, Bhavika, just see one article. You have to use this also. Okay. Yashika, don't bring regularly in the middle. Okay. So let's start one by one. Paramjit done. Harsaj. Hardik done. Pulkit. Last. Swarit. Done. Let's start with this. Swarit attends the classes regularly. Wait, Swarit, wait. The classes were attended. Hai na? Now just see, Swarit, what is the mistake? The mistake is, okay, Gurkaran will tell. Just listen, Swarit. Why are, just see, attends, simple present tense. Okay, when simple present tense is there, we have to use is MR. Got it? So the classes are attended by Swarit regularly, or the classes are attended regularly by Swarit. Got it? Now next is Rohit asks stupid questions. Wait. Stupid questions, were or are? Are. Okay. Yes, you have to be very careful while changing the places. See, the classes questions. Here it is plural, right? But earlier the subject, it was singular. So when you change, you have to be very careful about the how to change your verb also. So stupid questions are asked by Rohit. Got it? Students do not play hockey. Right. Very good. Hockey is not played by students. Correct. Those who have given this answer here also. Ria wore a shiny dress to the party. Wait. Okay. A shiny dress was worn. Okay. This is the third form of the verb of wore, wore or wear. Got it? You have to be careful about third forms. Jevan, got it? Worn. A shiny. You have to bring this article also in the beginning. Don't skip this. A shiny dress was worn to the party by Ria. Last, Hardik did not give answers. Hardik, give answer and prove this wrong. Very good. Answers were not given by Hardik. Okay. So this is completely a false statement. Okay. Hardik gives proper answer. Right. Done. Now, in case of doubt, you can ask. Sure, Swarit. Simple present tense is MR plus third form of the verb. Okay. Simple past was, were plus third form of the verb. How to check? Just check the verb. Attend. If it is simply attend, still it is in present tense. Attends again in present tense. Yes, Paramjit. We'll discuss continuous also. No need to add anything here. Done? Those who are online, bache, if you have doubt, please ask. Yes, yes, Punya. Do, does, no, do and does changes to is MR. It is here. Do, does. When it is used with not, it changes to is, am, are plus not. And if I have did plus not, I'll change it into was. Is it okay? Yes, Rohit. Yes, yes, you can write like this. Who is this? Tanushka, yes. This is also correct. Anything else? Now start sending your notebooks for checking.